video, I am going to show you guys how to turn a white tongue into a pink healthy tongue. So I just woke up, okay? I have not brushed my teeth, and I'm going to show you guys my tongue now, and I'm going to show you guys my tongue when I'm done. But first, let's talk about what is a white tongue. So basically, when you have a white tongue, that is bacteria buildup on your mouth, and it is not a pleasant smell at all. So in other words, bad breath, okay? So anyways, we all have white tongues at times. We are human beings. We're going to have bad breath, but you don't want to walk around with bad breath. And one thing that I've learned just growing up, I realized that a lot of people was not raised on brushing their tongue. I have no idea why is that, but it's very important to brush your tongue, not just your teeth. You can have nice white teeth and everything, but if your breath is kicking, it's like, doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter, right? So anyways, I'm going to show you guys my breath. I'm going to show you guys my tongue, which is so embarrassing because obviously my breath stinks right now, but we're going to take care of that, okay? Alright guys, so I'm going to come up closer. So I'm going to embarrass myself, okay? Alright guys, so this is my tongue. So obviously I have bad breath. My breath is kicking, but we're gonna, you know, we're gonna take care of that. So anyways, what you're going to need is things that's already in your home, things that's probably already in your kitchen or in your bathroom cupboard. So anyways, I'm going to move the camera and show you what I'm working with, and yeah. Alright guys, so first we're going to use some dental floss. There's so many different type of dental floss out there that's easy to get between your teeth. So just find something that's comfortable for you. So yeah, so I like this one because it glides really easy. Next thing, we're going to use coconut oil, and we're going to use this to like rinse our mouth with this. It's called oil pulling, and it just helps with getting rid of bacteria and just getting toxins out of your mouth. So this is really good, and also helps with freshening your breath as well. You do not want to pour this down your sink, so you're going to either gargle and then spit it out outside, or you could place it in a paper towel and then put it in your trash. So just remember not to spit this out in your sink because it will clog up your pipes, and you don't want to do that. Next thing you're going to use is some toothpaste. Now I have been going back and forth with using toothpaste for years because I feel like fluoride is really not good for you. But my dentist swears that I need to use fluoride toothpaste. So I'm going to go ahead and use toothpaste because I did have a small cavity my last dental visit. So I was very annoyed about that. So I'm using toothpaste again. So you're going to need some toothpaste. Another thing you're going to use is baking soda. As you guys can see, this baking soda box is super old because I always have baking soda around. I've been using baking soda on my teeth for years now. A lot of people say baking soda is not good for your teeth, but honestly, I love baking soda. I'm addicted to using this. I feel like it's great for your teeth. That's my personal opinion. I've got nothing but compliments on my teeth, so I'll be using baking soda to the day I die, to be honest. So you're gonna need some baking soda. Alright guys, so another thing you're going to use is hydrogen peroxide. I feel like you shouldn't use this all the time, but we're going to actually use this for our tongue. I'm going to brush with it on my teeth as well in this video, but the purpose of this video is how to remove the white areas on your tongue, and this is perfect for that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says it right here, for use for gargle or rinse. So it is good for your mouth. It says, or debriding agent. This is also good for if you have gingivitis. That's like infection in your gums. If you have like bleeding gums, it is a natural agent to get rid of all that gunk between your gums. I love hydrogen peroxide. And of course, the last thing is a toothbrush. I like to use an electric toothbrush. You do not have to use an electric toothbrush. You can use a regular toothbrush. And also, I want to say you do not have to use a tongue scraper. But if you want to, you can use that as well. But the toothbrush will do the trick. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. This is the mixing bowl, so we're going to use a little bit of baking soda. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there because this is for one-time use. So there's no point of using a lot. So right now I have like a little clump in there, so I'm just gonna break it up because, I mean, I'm gonna do like a little paste. It doesn't have to be pasty at all, okay? I'll show you guys that. So that's that. I really didn't have to do that because it's gonna break anyways when you put the hydrogen peroxide in there, but that's that. I'm gonna put a little bit of toothpaste in there as well. And my toothpaste is blue. I guess it's a mint flavor. So 3 basic ingredients, okay? And then we're gonna put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in there. I'm gonna just take my toothbrush just to mix it together. Okay, and I'm gonna brush my tongue and my teeth with this. It doesn't have to be thick. It doesn't have to be like a paste. This is good. All right, guys, before we start, I just wanna talk about the gagging reflex. I think this is very important. I feel like a lot of kids don't like to brush their tongue because it makes them gag, and it's just like an automatic response to be like, oh, I don't want to do this, I shouldn't be doing this. But actually, I do feel like your gag reflex will not be as strong the more you do it, and then you will kind of like maneuver around your tongue knowing like, okay, this spot is gonna make me gag, or you'll know how to control your tongue and move it in certain directions so that way you won't trigger your gag reflex, if that makes any sense. So practice makes perfect. Just keep working at it, and I promise it will get better. I don't know, I don't really get triggered with my gag reflex because I'm so used to doing this. I've been doing this for like years or whatever. So like I said, if you are not the type of person that really have brushed your tongue, just keep doing it, and practice definitely makes perfect. So anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna try to just show as much as I can without editing too much because I want you guys to see that I'm not a big gagger. So anyways, here I go. One thing I would definitely say is try not to get any of this stuff on your skin because baking soda dries out your skin, and you don't want that because you'll basically have like dry spots around your face. So if it gets on your face, wipe it off. And when I see that it's touching my lip, I spit it out because I don't want it touching my skin. So if you see that your tongue is still white after you're done, it's because you're not done. You keep going, all right, guys? So just don't do it for like, I don't know, a minute or so. It might take a little longer. So anyways, let's keep going because it's still white. But we're getting there, okay? Alright guys, and when you're brushing your teeth, try not to think of anything because you don't want to think of anything that's going to gross you out, and that's going to trigger your gag reflex as well. Alright, so just try to like have no thoughts, okay? Don't think of nothing. Let's keep going. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and brush my teeth. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the toothbrush and I'm going to also brush my gums as well because that's very important, and brush the roof of my mouth and everything like that. I'll show you guys how I do that. I brushed my teeth, I brushed my tongue. Now I'm going to floss as well. I'm not going to show you guys everything with flossing because I don't want this video to be too long, but basically all I do is just take the floss and wrap it around my tooth and then dip in there like this, curve it so that way it can get in between my gum line, and then come out, do the same thing on the other side, and then pull it out, and then do that until I'm done with all of my teeth. And I like to go look at my floss, remove any debris or food particles, and then move on to the next one, and I do that really quick. I just keep doing that until I'm completely done. So now I'm going to go ahead and take some coconut oil and I'm going to gargle, swish, and just do that for about a minute to 5 minutes. You can do it for about 20 minutes, but if you do this very often, you don't really have to do it for 20 minutes. But anyways, just swish, 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 swish as you get ready for work or whatever you're doing. And then after that, you're going to spit it in a paper towel or go outside and spit it outside. And then put it in your trash, or like I said, outside. Do not place this in your sink, okay? I just got done swishing and all that good stuff with the coconut oil. I went outside, grabbed some mail, just walked around a little bit. So I swished for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you guys the results. But I'm going to turn off my light because it's making my tongue look white. That rhymes. So my tongue is nice and pink and my breath is nice and fresh and clean. All right guys, I'll show you guys the results. All right, I'm gonna turn off my lighting. Wow. All right, I'm turning back my lighting back on. Ooh, that's too bright. So anyways, all right guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyways, if you like videos like this, definitely comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I pop through, you're like, there go my girl. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have someone that needs a little help and you don't want to tell them, just share the video, girl. Just share the video. Don't say anything. Just be like, hey girl, watch this video. Or hey boy, watch this video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and go out there, because in 2019, we're not walking around with white tongues no more. We're gonna walk around with pink tongues. Yay. Yes, girl, yes. Yeah. Pink tongues. Pink tongues. Look, I ate like a strawberry candy, but I